groups of statements in this operation. We have the ones inside the parentheses and the negation of Q. So if we're going to create a truth table based on this operation, what we need to do is we need to start with our basic statement, which is we will assume that P and Q will have the following combination of outcomes. So we can have a statement that's both true, a statement that the first statement is true and the other statement is false, a statement that is F and T, and then when both of them are false. So these are the possible combination of truth value that we can have for two statements such as P and statement Q. Now, if we're going to negate P, because on the first operation under the green group, not P is what we need to be able to construct not P and Q. So if we're going to negate P, that means the value of our not P would be FFTT, which is the negated value of column P. And if we're going to simplify not P or Q, we're going to be using the disjunction table. And according to this table, the only time that it will be false is when you have two statements that are false. So if we're going to look at our column for Q and not P, the only time that it will be false will be at the second row. So that means the first row, TF, is going to be true, FF is false, true or true is going to be true, and then false or true is going to be true. So now that we have our table for not P or Q, what we're going to do is we're going to look at our second group, which is not Q, and negate our Q column. So that means our Q column will have the opposite value of TF. So not Q would be FT. But since we are looking for the combination of the two compound statements, which is the quantity of not P and Q, the quantity of not P or Q and not Q, we're going to ignore the first three columns and just concentrate on our latest two columns, because here we can now use the conjunction operation, and in the conjunction operation we'll notice that the only time that it will be a truth statement is when the two statements are both true. So that means for the first row, T and F, it would be false, F and T would be false, T and F would be false, and then the last statement, T and T, that's the only statement that it would be true. So this is now our truth table for the operation of not P or Q and not Q.